Welcome to Skills Competition, and this is the elementary side of the competition. So we have VEX Robotics, Lego Mechanics, Construction, and Green Industries all happening here today for students in grades 4 to 8.
This is my 26th year of being involved in the skills competition. My first year, there were 2 students. Now we have almost 300 elementary today and 150 secondary.
Our Expanded Opportunities team supports this work. We're really excited about the energy in the building today.
On the outside, we have walking paths, a greenhouse in the parking lot. We redesigned the Frontenac Public School. We have trees and bushes all over the place, which we're using a NAP method, which is nitrogen fixers, apples, plums, or pears. We have a food hedge over here. And then we have gutters, which will collect rainwater and put them in rain barrels so we can use them for gardening. It was really fun looking into the community and seeing what we could do to help.
Our plan is to build like a house with like a little bit of like an overhang on the edge with a greenhouse on the side.
I just find it fun because it's like test your brain. It's fun to do.
It's fun to get out and explore and do like physical activities.
We have things like forestry, computer science, obviously, home building, cabinet making, job interview, and prepared speech. So lots of different competitions for students to be involved in.
Kids are engaged. Kids that may not see themselves in a school environment are happy.
After the competitions, students will have the opportunity, if we've been granted a seat, to attend the Skills Ontario, which is the first week of May in Toronto at the Congress Centre. Massive event with like over 20,000 people at it, but such an experience for students no matter what competition that they're competing in. First place winners will have that opportunity as long as they're willing and ready and want to try that out.
Students in high school can actually become registered as apprentices. So this is a way for them to see that this viable pathway is there for them. They can get into this career and it is a really great opportunity for them. The Ontario Youth Apprenticeship Program is for high school students to start through co-op. They can start in grade 10, and then if they're working with an employer who thinks that they've got what it takes and they want to register them, they can become apprentices right there while they're in high school, and they don't have to wait until they graduate.
Out of today, I hope they see themselves maybe in a potential career, enjoy themselves, and maybe in the future come back like we have today. We have alumni who are chairing competitions, who are judges.
So my name is Tyler Johnson, and I am here as a chair member through the Limestone District School Board. I was asked to just be a chair member for the plumbing competition. It's pretty nice to be here, as I was a Limestone District School Board alumni. I also did the skills competition, I guess it'd be 17 years ago now, and right after high school I applied to a bunch of companies and got hired on, and I've been doing it ever since. So anytime there's a skilled trades that are offered at a high school, you know, it's nice to see kids getting into it, because it's done me quite well over the years, and I still enjoy it.
My name's Aiden, and today for the plumbing competition we're going to be building a cube out of copper and soldering that, and later on we'll be making a DWV system for a bathroom out of ABS pipes. I wasn't really thinking trades until around grade 11, then had teachers show me it and show me all the fun that I could have with it, and then it really became something I want to do.
What's happening here behind us is the secondary VEX robotics competition. All of the supplies and robots that we have here were provided through a grant from the Limestone Learning Foundation. The 2 schools are building robots using the VEX EXP classroom kits that every school was provided, and they are competing in a game called Pushback, which is the national game, I guess, this year for VEX V5 robotics. This is the V5 competition field. The winner of this competition is going to move on to provincial skills.
We're competing in the VEX robotics team of 4. We've constructed this spot that we have on the course today as a group and coded it all together. I have always been really interested in robotics. It's something that I've really enjoyed doing, and it's really nice to be able to represent my team, as well as bringing representation for women in STEM to a competition.
We have our bot here that we've assembled, and so far it's doing pretty well. It's a great time, it's fun, and I enjoy it. It's just an interesting opportunity and something that you don't get to do every day.
I do think that it's a really valuable experience, and it's all about problem solving and strategizing, and that's something that strengthens all aspects of yourself.